Welcome to mySTAYINN, your trusted partner for stress-free property management in Scotland. We specialize in short-term lets, ensuring increased income without the hassle. Discover how we can transform your property into a lucrative holiday let. Our comprehensive property management services include dynamic pricing, marketing on 20+ platforms, professional cleaning, linen, and maintenance. We optimize pricing to boost your income and market your property across multiple platforms, all managed from one place for your convenience. Our dedicated property managers will guide you through the entire onboarding process, ensuring your property performs at its best with the help of our technology and human expertise. We help optimize your daily pricing using our state-of-the-art software solutions and dedicated pricing analysts to ensure your property stays competitive, even during holiday seasons and economic ups and downs. We have specialists for professional cleaning and maintenance that keep your property top-notch, ensuring an amazing experience for your guests. We provide a state-of-the-art all-in-one software solution for property management, streamlining everything from guest check-ins to cleaning schedules. Our platform enhances guest satisfaction, minimizes hassle, and maximizes profitability. Easily list your properties on major platforms and leverage advanced pricing tools designed to boost your revenue. Navigating complex short-term let licenses can be daunting. We offer simplified licensing solutions, ensuring your property meets all necessary requirements with clear and efficient compliance strategies. Let us handle the details for you. With mySTAYINN, you have direct access to our expert team without intermediaries 7 days a week. Whether by call, text, email, or WhatsApp, we're always available to support your business growth and maximize your property's potential. Scotland is thriving as a top destination for short-term lets, with 3.9 million tourists visiting last year, a remarkable 23% surge. Our local expertise ensures your property stands out in this booming market, driving more bookings and maximizing your revenue. Choose from our tailored plans designed to maximize your property's potential. Our growth plan, starting at just 6%, offers expert listings, channel management, and pricing optimization. For a hands-off approach, our full management plan at only 18% handles everything from automated check-ins and 24/7 guest support to professional photography, allowing you to enjoy stress-free income. Our dedicated pricing analysts leverage their expertise across 12 market-leading software solutions to maximize your turnover. By tailoring strategies to your property, we help you unlock its full potential and achieve outstanding profit growth. Thank you for considering mySTAYINN for your property management needs. Get in touch today to start attracting more bookings and saving time. Visit our website at management.mystayinn.com to learn more and book a call with our experts.